Good morning, everybody. Hey, these plants are ready to go. This one actually might be a little over ready. She's foxtailing. That's that Dream Rider. And we got the Blue Dreams over here, an American Gangster, and a Caribbean Dream right here. So I'm not going to really show any chopping or anything, but I'm going to cut them down. I wonder if I'm going to do branch drying or just the whole plant. So we'll see. Anyhow, all right, later. Morning, everybody. Or here over in Arizona, it's beautiful out. It's time to cut them. Chop, chop. And first one we're going to go with is the Dream Rider. These are all fat bud genetics. Had a great time growing them, but I'm going to have a better time consuming them. All right, let's take a look here. Let me grab the clippers, and here we go. I'm not going to do any wet weight. I'm just going to do it. In fact, I'll probably snip off the cut the branches and put them in the drying rack that I have over here. It's hotter than hell in this garage, so they're, and I'm not going to take them inside. They just stink too much. Don't want to stink up the house. Anyhow, here we go. First one. Let's do it. There she is. And I'm going to take this and put it on a tripod that I have hanging over here. So I'll be right back. Yeah, before I put it over there, let me just twirl it around here and look. It's got a lot of dried up leaves on it. So, this one probably was ready quite a while back, but did a lot of foxtailing. It's going to be some good stuff. Not a lot. That's me. This is the one I broke the stem on, the main one. And with an auto, when you do that, it messes them up. I don't care. I know there's people that have grown them and done really well with them, but not me. All right, the next one here is this one right here, the American Gangster. She's tall. Yeah, that one's stretched out. So let's cut her. All right. There it is. That's a tall one right there, long. That's pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm going to hang this one right up in the tent right above us here. And yeah, the drying process here is going to be different than most. All right, next one down. Blue Dream right up here in the front. I'm going to reach right around here. And yeah, this one's got some weight to it. That'll be some good stuff. All right, let me hang this one up. All right, the next one's that Caribbean Dream right there. And let me get the clippers here. I'm gonna bring her over right over here without knocking her over. All right, here we go. All right. That's a nice little plant. Still has a staple. All right, we'll hang her up right here, right in front of us here. All right. And the last one to cut right here is the Blue Dream. This is the one that has the biggest, fattest colas. This will be fun. All right. I'll hang this one right back there and flip the light off. We're good to go. Be a little warm, but I'll keep him as best I can. All right, let's do this one. Always bittersweet, isn't it? Cutting them down, but hell, I'm running out of stuff. I've been smoking that shit from 118 degrees last summer, July, around 4th of July. It's good, but not like this. I think I told you that I took that 1 gallon. I think it was an American Gangster, one or the other. There was 2. There was a solo cup, but both were excellent. Excellent. Snip. There we go. That's a nice cola. Yeah, that's a nice plant. It's got some heft to it. Like I said, I'm not going to weigh them. I'm just going to hang them and go from there. This is the heaviest of all of them, this Blue Dream back here. Beautiful plant. All right. All right, I'll turn the light off because it is putting a little heat in there. But there they are. They're all going there. I better mark what's what here in the zoo. All right. All right. Hey, there they are. The American Gangster, Blue Dream, Dream Rider, and the Caribbean Dream. Yep, I've got the fan right at them. And yeah, that's going to be fun. And I do have some from that 1 gallon pot that I've ground up. Good stuff. All right, Fat Bud Genetics, check him out. 123 Fat Buds. One of the Virginia Grow Bros. All right. Ran a Mars Hydro TSW 2000 in this 3x310. Always remember that. All right, have a good one, guys. We'll see you later. Out back, probably.